Hello everyone. So you want to remove some background noise from an audio file in Audacity. That is actually pretty easy. All you have to do is to actually have the audio of the noise or a similar noise. This is why I usually recommend to leave some empty space of audio when you're recording. Here you can see the noise and hear it. And this is the actual audio. This is the audio that I am recording. It's just me saying stuff for this tutorial. What you have to do is to actually select the noise this way, then go on effect. It should be noise reduction here. Get noise profile. Basically, we are telling Audacity that this type of audio is the noise that we would like to remove. Then we select everything and we do a similar process. We go again on noise reduction, but we don't click on get noise profile now because we already have it. We just modify these parameters. I usually leave them as they are and click on OK. This way, you will not have the noise, at least most of the noise. Basically, all the noise that is really background noise will be removed. Some things, like there is a click here that stayed, but that is fine. So yeah, that is how you remove the noise from the audio, and you can still hear now this normal voice that I recorded. So this is the audio that I am recording, and that is how you remove the noise, background noise, from your audio file in Audacity. I hope you liked this video. Leave a comment below, subscribe, and see you next time.